Hey, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bath. And the bathroom is the only place where you can play with your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. All right, guys, I have a good one for you. Now, I know, all of you that subscribe to this channel, mostly of you, I'm not going to say all, don't want to generalize it, but most of you guys are tech heads, which means that you have a lot of gadgets. Therefore, you need some power to charge your devices. So we're going to get into it, guys. We're going to have a look at the IForWAY power station, guys. Now this is the ultimate power block. But first, hey, if you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, Bang, The Man Who Set Himself on Fire. You can find it on the Amazon platform. Just search for The Man Who Set Himself on Fire by Donald Bogan. That's B-O-G-E-N. All right, let's jump right into it, guys. Now, I want to go to the website and give you some of the specs, and then I'm going to go do the unboxing and show you, I'll give you an example how I used it and maybe how you can use it in the future. Let's do it. All right, so here we are at the website. So this is the IForWAY PS105 and 160 watt portable power station, and you can see it was at about $200. Now it's at $169, guys. I don't know how long this price is going to last, but hey, it's only for the US market and you're limited to 30 pieces. Now there was a Black Friday sale, but if it's still on the website, I guarantee you they will honor it. Now, some of the highlights is that it is quad and it's clean power station designed without a fan to always keep the noise down. All right, so you never going to be without noise. Now, the way that they've been listening this is for people who use CPAP machines and stuff like that, which can be a life-saving device if you have, you know, that condition to where you need that CPAP machine. And it's like, hey, this is perfect for that. But in my case, guys, I can do so much more with it. So we come around and we have a look at it right here. You can see that you can power your MacBook Pro, right? And you can see that it's high efficient, and you can see that it have high efficiency power for a CPAP by DC ports. Come right here, you can see you can charge your phone, and you can see right there they have the CPAP plugged up to the DC port right there. You have the power indicator right here. You have your DC out for the 24-volt CPAP, and you also have two 5 volts 2.4 amp USB ports right here. And most important, guys, you have the pure sine wave. It's AC 110 and 160. Now, if we're talking about the CPAP, it kind of gives you like some runtime depending on the pressure and the settings and stuff like that. So this is very important for individuals that's going to be using the CPAP. But like I said, I use this, guys, to charge my phone. I also use this for like a monitor or something like that, where I can get a bigger workstation. With my Note 10 Plus, I can edit and everything on there. I just got the iPhone 12 Max Pro, so I'm looking forward to using that. It gives me a bigger screen, and when you're editing and you get into the groove, guys, you don't want to look for a plug. No matter where you at, you want to make sure that you have constant and continuous power going to your items. And also, you know, I have 6 kids, and look, when we on family trips or whatever, trust me, people be looking for power, and they have MacBooks and iPads and stuff like that. Definitely a great power station for the family to have while charging. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and I'm gonna show you how I use it. All right, so this is everything that comes in the box. You're going to get the user manual, basically tell you how to set everything up, and your do's and your don'ts. Your power block, USB-C, and basically this is where you're going to plug it into the wall. You get 2 USB-C wires. You get one USB-C to USB-C, all right? And you get another one USB to USB-C. Get a traveling pouch with 2 drawstrings. And you get the device itself. And you can see the branding is IForWAY. A lot of little heat vents on here. To kind of protect it. In the front you have your power. You also have your DC, where you can plug in a regular plug. And of course, your power button you just press and hold. Voila. Gonna get that light indication to let you know that it's fully charged. Pretty good build quality. Again, the heat vents to disperse the heat. Looking forward to seeing what it can do. So let's put it to the test. All right, so this is one of the scenarios where I would use it. So let's say that I'm out and I just want some entertainment. I bring like one of these portable screens right here, or it can be a small television. As you can see, I just connected to, this is the Samsung Note 10 Plus, and instant access to it. I can edit it, and all of it is being powered by the IForWAY. Never have to worry about the battery going down. I can just entertain myself. Let's see, one of my favorite IPTV services. Go ahead, open it up, watch everything that I need to watch, and we're good. So this particular one is touchscreen, so it gives me hands-free, so I can go to ESPN right quick. Boom, a bigger screen being powered by that right there. Back out of here. Of course, if you viewing photos and stuff like that, you can go ahead and use this bigger screen. And at the same time, guys, I'm powering, you can see right here, I'm powering the new iPhone 12 Max. So I'm charging up my Max and I'm using my Note 10 Plus. And you see at the corner right here, because I have it plugged to this and this is being powered by that, I'm charging my iPhone and I'm charging my Note 10 Plus while I'm viewing my different content. So this is definitely more than just charging a phone. You can get creative and, you know, really get a lot of power, a lot of hours of fun, a lot of hours of entertainment. Just be creative. Here's the wife right here and the new puppy. I don't know who put who to sleep, but there they go right there. So yeah, guys. So let's go back to the studio and I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the product. All right, welcome back. So as you can see, the IForWAY can give you tons and tons of power. So not only can it power CPAC, in our world, guys, it can power our gadgets. As you're seeing, I was powering up the iPhone 12 Max and also using that Note 10 Plus. Look, for me, I'm a content creator. I could go up in there and just type in Rush. And if you don't know what Rush is, it's the Premiere Pro editing software for videos for Samsung. Type that up, guys. Pull up some video clips and hook up that portable monitor to my phone and power it by the IForWAY, and I'm good to go. Content galore. And not only that, seeing I'm watching IPTV, if I'm watching a movie, there's no worse feeling than to be waiting for a meeting or something like that and trying to watch Netflix on a small phone. You can take a monitor or plug in your Mac or whatever and have power for days. Hey, it's your boy taking the bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey, power. That's the name of the game. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.